Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to easily shorten the length of pants. I'll be shortening these pants by 8 cm, but considering the hem allowance, I'll only be cutting 5 cm. It's important to remember to leave about 3 cm for the hem when shortening pants. Don't forget to account for this extra fabric to ensure a neat finish. Once the markings are done, simply cut the fabric. First, fold the hem up by about 1.5 cm. Then, fold it up once more. Since denim fabric is thick, it'll be naturally create a neat 1.8 cm fold. When folding the hem, the seam allowance can become quite thick, making sewing difficult. So I make snips of part of the seam allowance and cross them in opposite directions. Since this part won't be visible, this method works well for me. Then, press this fold well with an iron. After pressing the hem, pin it in place to prevent the fabric from twisting while sewing. I decided on a 1.5 cm seam allowance for the pinned hem and sewed along that line. When sewing denim, it is important to use thick thread and needle. You can easily find it by searching for denim thread and denim sewing needle. And we're done. How was that? Really easy, right? I hope you found this helpful for shortening your pins. Have a great day and see you next time.